Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand about the deform feature in SolidWorks. Let's how it function. Let us start. File, new, part, this one. Okay, this is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white, and unit system is the millimeter gram second. You can select any other unit system. But first we will create a model here. Right plane, sketch. I am creating a line, simple line here. This one. Okay. And distance, this line dimension is I am taking 125 mm. Okay. And future swept post base, circular profile, this one I am taking this dia 12 mm. Okay, this one, this I am taking 12 mm dia. This is at this time, this is a solid. I am making holoid. This one shell feature, wall thickness I am taking 0.5 mm only. This one face, this one, this face and this face, and hit right button. Okay, this is a one hollow section, and this is simple like a tube or plastic. It may be plastic or iron. Okay, we will deform this model into as per our requirement. Okay, how it will can we do? First I make right plane, another, this one, right plane and normal, this one. I am taking another right plane here. I am creating another sketch here. As per that, I will deform this one. Okay. First, I am taking a line here. This one. Center line, this one. This line here. I am taking this 3-point arc here. First, you see this is horizontal, this is horizontal, okay, and I am taking 3-point arc here. This one, this to this, and this one, this one. I am taking arc length. Arc length. Select this point, select this point, and shift, and this one. This one. Select both the point, shift button and this arc. This will give the arc length. I am taking 125 mm arc length. This one. And again, select this line, hold shift key and this arc. This height I am taking. I am taking this one. If you this one, and this I am taking 12 mm only. This one. But sketch is not fully defined. How I can do it fully defined? Select this line, select this point and this point, vertical relation. Okay, and still not defined, fully defined. Smart dimension, this distance and this distance. This I am taking only 20 mm only. Only 20 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Actually, we will deform this our main model into, I will make a 3 copy of this one. Okay, I will deform this one as per this sketch. Okay, I am trying another sketch also. Out of the sketch, another sketch I am trying. This one, sketch, and this line I am taking a line here. This one, this, and this, and this one. Okay, this one, and height of this one and this one I am taking 30 mm height. Okay, this is 30 mm, and this distance I am taking 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm distance. Now I am taking fillet. This I am taking 10 mm. Okay, and now fillet, also fillet provide this one. This I am taking 14 mm fillet. 14 mm, this select this one and hit right button, cancel it, this one. But at this time, this sketch is consists of the arc and straight line, not a single entity. Okay, if you select this one, this will be selected. If you know the length of this one, how you will know? Select this line, shift this one, this straight line, and this line. This length is 99.40. I will convert this length into 125 length. How I will do this thing? Okay, select this any edge, select, right click and select chain. Okay, now complete sketch is selected. Okay, now again on edge, right click and sketch tools and make path. Path is created. Now path is created, this one, and now click on this. This length is 99.040, but I want to convert into 125. Driving and this one 125. I am making the path length this one and hit right this one. Okay, this path length is 125 I have made. So these two sketches are of 125 length. Okay, but sketch is not fully defined. How? Select this point, shift this point, vertical relation. Okay, and select this point, this point and smart dimension, and this one. This distance I am taking 50 mm. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now both the sketches are fully defined. Okay, I have made the length, this arc length is 125, this length is 125. I will convert this model. I will create firstly 2 copies of this one, total 3. How I will convert? Direct editing, go into direct editing, move body, copy body, and copy. Make sure this should be copy and take 3 copy or 2 copy. This one. I want to copy of this model 2 copies more. Okay, make sure this should be checked. Select body, this one, and hit right button. This warning is coming. Neither a translation nor a rotation is specified. Do you want to proceed? Yes. This one. If you will see in the future tree manager, you will see there are 3 bodies. This one is the shell, another body, and this 3 body. I have created 3 bodies here. Okay, this 3 body I have created. Now I will deform this model into this shape first, then deform this feature into this model into this one. As per this shape I will deform both the sketches. As per both the sketches I will this model deform into this shape, also into this shape. I have created 3 copies here. Okay, first body, shell, this one and this one. These are 3 copies of here. How? You go in the insert, future, here is future, and here is the command deform, future, deform. This one, this window comes here. I will discuss only the curve to curve option. And in the upcoming video I will explain point feature. Okay, how? Firstly, the main sketch is selected. Main sketch is what? This one. This sketch is a main sketch. And second, I want to deform this one. Okay, this shape come, uncheck this fixed edge, uniform. Okay, radius of this thing. Radius I am taking 20 mm. Okay, body already selected. Body is already selected here. This one. This body, suppose I deleted this one. This body already selected. Okay, and shape option. This one first is the stiffness minimum, medium, and this is the maximum. I'm taking maximum stiffness. Okay, and accuracy I am taking maximum here. This one. Now you will see the shape. Ends are not as per curve. This is the parallel, but this is the define another. So in order to bring to follow the curve, I selecting this curve direction. This one. Now this is okay. In this way, curve to curve option, sketch, this sketch, and second is this sketch, show preview, fixed, uncheck fixed preview, uniform, radius of the deform is 20 mm, and shape option is the maximum stiffness, accuracy maximum, and curve direction. If you uncheck, you will say the end will be in this way, and if I this one, okay, in this way I hit the right button, this one. So this is the deform body. This is the second deform body. Okay, first body shell and this one. Now again, because I have copied I have made two copies more of this model. Now again, insert future and deform feature. Okay, again curve to curve option, first sketch, this one, this selected, second this sketch, this one, select from here, this one, this sketch from here, this selected, uncheck this one and select uniform, radius I am taking suppose 30 mm, body, right click, delete, this body selected, this one, and maximum option, accuracy, this one, and curve to curve direction, this one, and hit the right button, this one. So this I have deformed this model into, I have made already 3 copies of the 2 copies more, and deformed this one into this one, this shape and this model shape. So in this way you can deform the given model into as per your requirement. Okay, I give the color of this thing, this one and this body. First is this one, body copy, appearance, give yellow color, this one first, second is the appearance, green, this one, third is this one, third copy, appearance, suppose I take this one and this. In this way you can deform the model as per your requirement. Okay, hide, you can hide the sketch, this one, hide the sketches, this one, hide the sketches, hide, show from here, show, this one. In this way you can deform the model as per your requirement. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in this my exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.